Hello, good evening, everyone. Hey, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr, Day1marketing Inc. I'm just doing a brief video on the fundamentals on what we'll be working on, and one of the fundamentals is email marketing. You see that we are in an autoresponder. I just like to share with you the fundamentals and the basics of an autoresponder and why you even want an autoresponder. First, the autoresponder is a part of your email marketing, correct? And your email marketing is where your subscribers will actually be getting an email from you, and your email will be describing uh, who you are, so they begin to know, like, and trust you. Share with them the information you know about your products, introducing them and bringing awareness to your products, and then also selling your product. And this is a part of the automation that you would want to do for your business. Okay, so how do you get an email campaign started? An email campaign start with your landing page, and then your landing page, they will simply enter in an email address and their name. They will be redirected to your offer or your uh, whatever page, your website, and then they will be prompted to go to your email, to where they will start receiving automated messages. So when you're using an autoresponder, you will simply put the name, the welcome email. You will do the welcome email, uh, welcome, which whatever their name are, you can use their name, the subscribers info. Okay, if you use the subscribers info, you can put their name and use their first name. So we'll just say welcome with their first name. That's a hyperlink to wherever their first name is, they can place here. Okay. Then you can add headline, paragraph, image to your email, video to your email, the logo to your business. All you would do is simply drag and drop. Okay, that's my logo. And then I could simply make it smaller here, create the thumbnail here. Okay. If I wanted to add text, I would go here to the text. I can add text, which I have text here. If I wanted to add a video, I can add a video. And simply on the video here, you will see that you have the URL of the video that you will add from YouTube or Vimeo, the name, and then the destination where you want the video to be redirected. Okay, you can add your buttons to your email. Click here, products, coupons, and your signature. Okay, Jarvis Cloud Senior, boss man, the man with the plan, online marketer and digital entrepreneur at Day1marketing Inc. That's your signature. Okay, that's my signature, your signature. So the fundamentals of an email, and then as you're creating your email, you would do a 7-day series, 15-day series, or 30-day series, however amount of days you want your email to actually go out to your subscribers. And this will automatically re-engage your subscriber, and you want it to be personal. You can also segment your email concerning to the actions that they're making as well, and we'll go through further training. But first, this one is just about the email, the autoresponder. We're using Aweber. You can get Aweber for free, and I will have a link below to where you can get access to Aweber, and you want to start creating your email list from anybody that you interact with. You want to use the email list for automation and also broadcasting. Broadcasting means whenever on a daily or weekly or whenever you are actually doing something in the business at that time, you will come in the autoresponder, go to your email settings, and it will say broadcast, and that's the email that you would broadcast out to your email list. The reason you want to build an email list because once you get a lead, a prospect, or a customer, you want to keep that lead, that prospect, and customer, and you want to interact with them, share with them, and also get them to bring you different referrals. And you want to use your email to get more referrals from the people that you already know. So your email is very profitable, and that's why you always see online that they say the money is in your list. All right. So again, this is just short, um, a short introduction to email marketing, why you want to do email marketing. And if you have any questions, any further questions, please ask them in the group and we will go over them and I will answer those questions. Again, signing off, Jarvis Cloud Sr., boss man, the man with the plan at Day1marketing Inc. If you have any questions and any thing you want to know about email, continue to follow and you will get that information from here as well. Have a good evening. Signing off. Talk to you guys later.